Interest rates, 5 key things you need to know. In today's video, we're going to discuss one of the most important topics in the world of finance. Interest rates play a crucial role in shaping the economy and affecting our personal finances. So, without further ado, here are 5 things you need to know about interest rates. 1. What are interest rates? Interest rates refer to the amount of money a borrower pays to a lender for using their money. In other words, it's the cost of borrowing money. Interest rates are usually expressed as a percentage, and they can be fixed or variable. 2. How are interest rates determined? Interest rates are determined by the supply and demand for money. If there's a high demand for money, interest rates will go up. On the other hand, if there's low demand for money, interest rates will go down. The Federal Reserve also plays a significant role in setting interest rates through its monetary policy decisions. 3. How do interest rates affect you? Interest rates can affect you in several ways. If you're borrowing money, high interest rates mean you'll pay more in interest charges, making your loan more expensive. Conversely, if you're saving money, high interest rates mean you earn more on your savings. 4. What's the relationship between interest rates and inflation? Inflation refers to the increase in the general price level of goods and services over time. When inflation is high, interest rates tend to be high as well. This is because lenders want to be compensated for the decrease in the purchasing power of their money. 5. How do interest rates impact the economy? Interest rates play a crucial role in the economy. High interest rates can slow down economic growth, as it becomes more expensive to borrow money. Conversely, low interest rates can stimulate economic growth by encouraging businesses and consumers to borrow and spend more money. And there you have it, 5 key things you need to know about interest rates. Understanding interest rates is essential for anyone looking to make informed financial decisions. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.